Hi friends, in this video we will give or we will assign enable password or secret password to our switch. Double click it and go to CLI mode. I'm already in CLI mode. Enter it. First go to enable. Click it. Here you can assign enable what you can write enable password. It can take here not no it is not working here. So first we will go to config mode. Config team. Here we can assign enable password. What is password? So I can write mik technical. So mik technical. So it is my enable password. So secret password what is? So I will write simply enable what secret password. What is secret password? That is also mik. So enter it. So now we will go to check do show run. Now just look at here, we have mik technical password or secret password. So this is our secret password. So now if you want to check it, so first I will come to log out. So I will log out and check it. Not working, do log out. Now it is working. So now I will use enable. So it will take a password. So now you can see it's what password mik. So I will write password mik technical, not mik technical. Not working. Why? I don't. mik. Enter it. Now it is working. Enable password is mik. So I will go to config t. Now it is working. So my password was mik. So this was our video. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching.